Earthlings, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you my amazing news. My edges are growing back thanks to this miracle products that I have been using. If you have been following me for a while, you know that my edges has it's totally gone, and mostly I have even given up on trying any remedies to grow it out because it has been like that since I was born. So I have kind of accepted it. But lately I have been noticing hair there, which was really surprising. So I put it on a test and I found out what is growing my edges, and I couldn't wait to share it with you guys. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the miracle product that has been helping me grow my hair like crazy. The other side has grown more than this side, but that is because right now I am actually consciously applying this product to my hair and concentrating on my edges, because before I was just applying it to my scalp and not necessarily concentrating on my edges because, like I said, I have given up on my edges already. Before I get further into the video, I'm going to shout out my own product, which is my Adinkra symbols wall art. Please go check it out. They come in black, gold, and kente prints. And I also have a whole lot of African related wall art. So please go check it out and support a sister. Thank you very much. Let's get straight into this video. So my miracle product is fenugreek, as you can see. So I didn't expect this to grow my edges. Of course, I know that this have good properties and good nutrients in it. But like I said, I have already given up on anything that could grow my edges, so I didn't expect it. So doing my research, when I went into fine detail to see what fenugreek actually do to your hair, I saw a lot of properties. I saw a lot of nutrients that comes with fenugreek. But looking into it really carefully, I found out that fenugreek also help you to thicken your hair. It also help you to reverse bald and thinning hair, as you can see right there on the screen. And it also helps to decrease hair fall. So these are all properties that can actually help you regrow your hair if you're suffering from alopecia or something like that. And I call my alopecia chronic because I was born with it. But obviously, it is not chronic if it's growing, so I am really happy for that. So I am going to show you in this video how I actually prepare my fenugreek, like a little DIY to show you how I prepare it and also how I apply it to my hair. I actually use the fenugreek with my moringa oil, which is also very, very good oil packed with a lot of nutrients. So I think those two combination is really helping me to grow out my edges. So what you're going to need is obviously fenugreek. I use the fenugreek seed because it's easier to make spritz out of it instead of using the fenugreek powder. So I go ahead and place a handful of fenugreek into a glass. I will put the exact measurement that I use. I'll put it in the description below, so you can go ahead and download it. I put it in a glass and I go ahead and add some water, a little bit of water to it. After that, I go ahead and stir it well with a spoon. And then I cover it up. I cover it up and let it stay there for about 4 to 6 hours. I don't go more than 6 hours because of how the seeds work. They work by soaking up the water. So if you let it stay in the water for too long, like overnight or something, you might end up not getting any water from the fenugreek at all. So you have to look at how many hours works for you. So I go ahead and leave it in for about 4 to 6 hours, and then I transfer it into my spray bottle, and then it's ready to be used. So here you will see how the color is looking after 4 to 6 hours. You can see that it's really yellow, and it can go even darker than this depending on how long you leave it. But I found out that this is really perfect for my hair, and I don't need to let it soak too long. And as you can see, the seeds are also thicker, so you can see that it's actually soaking up a lot of water. So it releases its nutrients by soaking up the water. It's very strange how it works, but yeah. So it have this yellow color to it, and it smells like some kind of syrup. You can also always go ahead and add essential oils like lavender oil or tea tree oil, peppermint oil, which is also really good in stimulating hair growth. So like I said, like I mentioned, I go ahead and put it in my spray bottle, and then I go ahead and I apply it to my hair. So I'm going to demonstrate how I apply it to my hair. I like the spray bottle very much because the spray that comes out is more of in a form of a mist than just spraying onto your hair. So yeah, it doesn't wetten my hair, but it just gives me enough product to work with it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I use it. It's basically just how I moisturize my scalp. But in this case, I'm just going to focus on my edges so that you know how I go ahead and use it. So basically, this is my moringa oil. It's almost finished, so I will make a new batch. And if you want to see how I make my moringa oil, I have a video about it. I will link it up here somewhere, and you can also go into the description box and download it also there. So basically, I go ahead and spritz the fenugreek on my directly on my scalp and on my new growth, and I work it in, I massage it in a little bit, and then I go ahead and apply my moringa oil to the tips of my finger, and then I go ahead and massage it on my scalp. So basically, I am sealing in the moisture of the fenugreek with the moringa oil. That is how I moisturize my scalp. I also have a video about it, and I will link it also up there. I also have a video about how I massage my scalp. I think massaging your scalp is also very essential in this routine. So I will also link that video up so that you will see it, and I will also link it in the description box in case for the people who like to download it. You can go ahead and download it. I am really happy that I found out about this product, and it's working really well for my scalp and everything. I am really glad that I went ahead and I'm on this Ayurvedic journey. I am coming up with an Ayurvedic ebook. It is jam-packed with all the information that I know about Ayurvedic, that I've tried on my hair, that is working for me, and all those things. It is going to be really good. If by the time this video goes up and the ebook is available, I will link it in the description box below, and otherwise I will let you know when it is ready so that you'll go ahead and download it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye.